my 2005 Durango, and it has a fuel issue problem. It has been diagnosed with a check valve fuel failure, and when I fill the tank, it likes to backwash gas on me. So I'm documenting this because Chrysler has a recall out on this issue, but I'm being told that this recall does not apply to my particular vehicle. This problem developed 2 years ago, and I've not had much luck in getting any answers from Chrysler. So I'm hoping to use this video to get some assistance from Chrysler in replacing the gas tank, which I'm told will cost a little over $1,000, and if not get assistance from Chrysler, then pursue some other methods. So let's see what happens here. There you have it. Gasoline is now pouring out of the tank and down my car to the ground, which I find highly irritating, and I would like to have this issue resolved. And it is still pouring.